Good afternoon. Today is Thursday, June 24th, 2021. This is your weekly weather briefing from the National Weather Service, Atlanta. Taking a look at the highlights for this week, precipitation chances slowly increase through the middle of next week. Temperatures remaining at or slightly below seasonal norms, which basically means somewhere in the 80s to near 90 degrees every day. No major severe weather events expected over the next 7 days, and there are two areas of concern in the tropics, but they are not expected to affect Georgia through the end of next week. Taking a look at our current conditions, you can see we have a stationary frontal boundary that has settled in across South Georgia. This has allowed high pressure to build into North and Central Georgia, keeping things fairly dry today. Taking a look at our current radar image, you can see we do have some light showers across South and Southeast Georgia. We'll see a few more showers develop later on this afternoon, with that frontal boundary staying across South Georgia today. Precipitation chances are fairly high across South Georgia today, with North Georgia staying fairly dry today and Friday. Chances increase across the entire state going into the weekend. With southerly to southeasterly flow increasing over the weekend, you can see precipitation chances increase slowly through the middle of next week. Temperatures are expected to stay at or just slightly below seasonal norms, which for this time of year is mainly in the 80s to near 90 across the state. As we get into next week, you can see temperatures don't really change much. We still keep our daytime high temperatures in the 80s to near 90. With precip chances increasing over the next 7 days, we're not expecting a lot of precipitation. You can see here is a 7-day total. We're only expecting anywhere from 1/4 of an inch to maybe 1 inch somewhere across the state. We are in a general thunderstorm risk for today, so our severe weather chances are fairly low. The general thunderstorm risk continues into Friday, keeping our severe weather chances low. And again Saturday, only expecting general thunder. This general thunder risk should continue into the middle of next week. Taking a look at the tropics, currently we have two areas of concern. The first area in orange, just off the western African coast, has a 40% chance of becoming a tropical cyclone sometime over the next 5 days. It's still well out into the Atlantic, so we're not expecting it to affect Georgia at this time. The second area of concern is just east of the southern Caribbean, just north of South America. It has a 10% chance of becoming a tropical cyclone over the next 5 days. These two systems are not expected to affect Georgia at this time. We currently do not have any flooding concerns across our area, so any precipitation we receive over the next 7 days, our streams, creeks, and rivers should be able to handle it. The 6 to 10 day outlook. As far as precipitation goes, you can see on the left side, we're about a 30 to 40% chance of being above normal for precipitation chances. And on the right side with temperatures, we are about a 30 to 40% chance of being below our seasonal norms. In summary, precipitation chances slowly increase through the middle of next week. Temperatures remaining at or just slightly below seasonal normals, 80s to near 90, and no major severe weather events anticipated over the next 7 days. If you have any questions or concerns concerning the 7-day forecast, please do not hesitate to contact us. Here's our telephone number along with our webpage, and you can reach us on social media as well. Have a good week.